going, guys? Welcome to the Heist Gamma Labs, where we stay testing out new equipment, the controllers, mouses, lamps, and everything. We got an employee right here, hard at work.
Oh yeah, I didn't see you there. Terminator X2 here, and today I'm bringing you a new installment video of the Azio gaming mouse. Yeah, really high quality brand. I really like the blue on the mouse right here. As you can see, there's really cool designs and stuff. I'm pretty sure this is if I check the box real quick, this is Call of Duty branded. Very nice. I really like the blue streaks and stuff. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna show you how this thing works. Pretty much, I'm gonna go into a game of Counter-Strike because I really like playing Counter-Strike competitively. My name's Terminator X2. You might have heard of me on the leaderboards. Yeah, so I'm gonna get